Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how to make a daytime and nighttime cycle in Unreal Engine. So let's start. So first, you need to open your level blueprint. To do that, go to Blueprints on the top and select Open Level Blueprint. Here, right-click and add an event tick. Next, make a new variable and name it SunSpeed. Then, change the variable type to be a float. The next thing you need to do is to get a reference to the level's light source. So go to the level and select Light Source. Then, go back to the level blueprint and add a reference to the light source. Next, drag out of the light source and find Add Local Rotation. Select this one. Connect the event to the node. Next, drag out of delta seconds and add a float times float multiplier. Then get SunSpeed and connect it to the multiplier. Set the SunSpeed value to your liking. The higher the number, the faster the cycle. Once you have done that, drag out of the multiplier and make a rotator. Connect the multiplier to the y-axis. Then connect the rotator to delta rotation. So what this does is every tick, it rotates the light source on the y-axis at the speed set in SunSpeed. But before it will work, it needs to update the sky as well. So go to the level and select BP Sky Sphere. Then add a reference to it in the level blueprint. Then drag out of the reference and search for Update Sun Direction. Then connect it to the node. So compile and save, and go back to the level. Press play, and you can see you have a day-night cycle in action. Now the speed of the cycle will depend on the variable SunSpeed, so be sure to tweak it to your liking. So that's it for this video. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, please comment below. And thank you very much for watching. This time, let's see if we can hit 200 likes. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!